Welcome to this course. Create an app and put it on your own iPhone in just one evening. My name is Michael and I'll be an instructor for this course, and I have been in your position before. I wanted to know how to build apps for the iPhone and I achieved that, and I now have apps in the Apple App Store. So this course will teach you not only how to build an app for the iPhone, but you'll also be able to put that app on your own personal iPhone in just one evening, so you can show your hard work and show off to your friends and family. So this course is really designed for absolute beginners to app development. So we'll start by downloading the software, which is free of charge. We'll show you around the interface to see how it all works. We'll then build the app, we'll test it, we'll polish it off, and as mentioned, we'll put it on your own iPhone in just one evening. So I designed this course for anyone who wants to get involved in app development but doesn't really know anything about it, but with the added benefit of being able to cover this course in just a short period of time. So I mentioned just one evening or one afternoon, rather than sort of many weeks and many months on a full length course. So please, if that sounds good to you, please go ahead and purchase this course. If you're still a bit unsure, then by all means go ahead and preview some of the free lectures we have for the course. It might just help you to make your mind up. But either way, if you do take the course, I'm absolutely sure you'll really enjoy it. You'll get a lot from it, and we'll have some fun along the way as well. So thank you for listening, and please go ahead and purchase this course.